morning! Okay, so it's the spring, and every spring in the Waterloo region, it's maple syrup time. So today we're gonna go out to Elmira and go see the
Maple Syrup Festival!
That's the one! Okay, so we're on the outskirts of Elmira, and one of the unique things about the region is that there's a lot of Mennonites. So we just saw a nice Mennonite family who's out selling their maple syrup.
And you'll actually see that there's like a caution horse and buggy signs all over the roads here, because many of the Mennonites in this area still use horse and buggy as their main mode of transportation.
She thinks we're here. Okay, we're on our way to the tour, and Tia's distracted by the fire truck. Okay, where are we going?
We are gonna go to the Sugar Bush tour. That's how we're gonna start our day here at the Maple Syrup Festival. So we're going to see how they tap the trees to get the maple syrup out of them.
Yeah. And I think, did we get to try some?
I think so.
Sweet!
We got our tickets to get onto the bus, and the bus is going to take us all the way to the Sugar Bush.
We just got to the farm and we're about to head
Off the bus
and onto a tractor. Look who's excited.
Okay, it's not often you get to ride on the back of a tractor. Just saying.
So we're in the maple bush. All these trees that you see around us are maple trees. Usually when I think of maple sap tapping, I think of these buckets over there. But they actually have this really cool irrigation system where they tap it all into a main pipe, and then it just pumps it back to the sap extractor. It's pretty cool.
Okay, so we found some of the buckets, and basically what this is they put a tap into the tree. I think if you lift it, you can see it. And the tap is just capturing all the sap out of the tree. And they're gonna be turning this into maple syrup. So you can see the tap right here, and you can see it dripping. Alright, so when the sap comes out of the trees, it's actually completely clear. So what they do is they take all of the buckets that they capture the sap in, and they're going to put it in this big boiler over in that building, and they basically take that maple syrup and boil it down, so they start extracting all of the water. So the sap that actually comes out of these trees is only 3% sugar. And once they boil all the water out and the sap turns to that maple syrup color, it becomes 64% sugar. Okay, so we we bought a bag of the maple popcorn. It basically has maple syrup on it, so let's give it a try. You can definitely taste the maple syrup on the popcorn. Not bad.
All right, so the thing that we really were looking forward to, maple candies. It's quite a common thing in this area actually, but we were told that not everyone has tried it. This is basically candy made out of the maple syrup. All right, so we're on the bus and we're heading back into town. Just finished the maple syrup tour. Super sweet. Get it? Time to try some food. Way out from the Maple Syrup Festival. 8 tons of food, but we didn't get a pancake because the lineup it looked to be like 2 hours long.
2 hours for a pancake. We figured we could just make our own pancakes at home.
How was it?
It's pretty good. We had a lot of non-maple foods and we had a lot of maple foods. We got to learn how the maple syrup is extracted from the trees, and we rode in the back of the tractor.
Yeah, actually that was great. I didn't think it was going to be that much fun, but that was the best part.
Yeah, the sugar bush tour was definitely the best part.
Yes. Alright, so we're just going to take a stroll back to the car, and that's it for the Maple Syrup Festival. Highly recommended if you're in the area.
And even if you're not in the area, it's a nice outing if you're, even just a couple hours away.